I'm Dr. Darshana Sunavne, MDS in Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics. I'm also a clear aligner certified orthodontist. The reason I'm here today is to inform or educate you about what is orthodontics, what are the different appliances used in orthodontics, and also what are the various conditions wherein one can seek an orthodontic treatment. Now, coming to what is orthodontics, we orthodontists deal not only with the alignment of teeth but also with the health of jaw. Now, why orthodontic treatment is required? On the left, you can appreciate the photos of pre-treatment orthodontics, and on the right, there are after-treatment orthodontics. So, in conditions when there are crooked teeth, open bite teeth, or a reverse overjet teeth, wherein the lower teeth are ahead of the upper teeth, then in case of procline teeth or bunny teeth, and in case of deep bite, wherein the lower teeth are almost not visible when appreciated from the front. Now, in such cases, you should definitely need an orthodontic treatment. Coming to early orthodontics. In children of age group of 8 to 12 years of age, the jaw development is not sufficient sometimes. For example, in this video, you can see the upper jaw is ahead and lower jaw is underdeveloped. In such cases, we treat such children with a myofunctional appliance which actually utilizes the nature's natural growth pattern to advance the lower jaw in forward direction. So naturally, we can grow the lower jaw of the children and attain a normal class 1 relationship. Now, in certain children, the upper jaw growth development does not take place properly. In such cases, we do use orthopedic appliance to grow the upper jaw naturally, as you can appreciate in this video. With the help of a reverse pull headgear, we can actually grow the upper jaw and in ideal position. Now, orthodontics does not deal only with aesthetics, meaning orthodontics is a level up above aesthetics. As you can see, if the alignment of the teeth are not proper, you are unable to brush your teeth. In such cases, bacteria accumulate and it goes via bloodstream to produce various systemic disorders. For example, any heart disease or any kidney disorder. Also, if the oral hygiene is not proper, there is loss of tooth. So orthodontics also deals with the normal systemic health as well. If somebody has an inadequate bite, the unilateral bite is not proper compared to the bilateral bite. In such cases, what happens is the normal opening and closing of the TMJ joint present here does not occur. If the bite is uneven, there is not a normal sliding of the joint, as you can appreciate in the video, which glides ahead and gets stuck. In such cases, it leads to pain in the ear region and also may lead to headaches. Now, orthodontics has also moved a way ahead, treating obstructive sleep apnea. Few patients might suffer from sleeping disturbances at night, leading to choking and arousal from the sleep. Now, orthodontics has the solution for this. Yes, you heard it right. Orthodontists can also treat obstructive sleep apnea. How? Let's see ahead. What are the different orthodontic options which we can use during our day-to-day life? First is metal braces. Okay, even tooth-colored ceramic braces can be used. Next is incognito. There's a lingual braces which are put inside the teeth. Now, the most advent in orthodontics in the recent times is clear aligners. Clear aligners are basically transparent trays which are worn in upper and lower jaw. So there are a set of 6 to 24 trays to be worn after every 21 days. So if you have any problem with your teeth, you can definitely visit your orthodontist and also ask about the aligner treatment and whether you are a suitable candidate for the aligner treatment or no. As you can see, in adult orthodontics, there's a field wherein even the adults want the aesthetic look. So these clear aligners, they are invisible at a certain distance. So clear aligners are a very good solution if you are an adult and you can easily move in your office wearing these clear aligners. Coming to orthognathic surgery. Now, in certain patients, unfortunately, the discrepancy is more than 8 mm or 10 mm. In such cases, orthodontics alone cannot solve the problem. But we do have a solution for this as well, known as orthognathic surgery. In orthognathic surgery, we first do a 3D simulation wherein the patient comes to know beforehand how he or she will look after the treatment. Now, in case the patient's upper jaw is forwardly placed or a lower jaw is forwardly placed, accordingly, we need to carry out the orthognathic surgery. The beauty of orthognathic surgery is there are no scars present on your face. Yes, all the bone cuts are given intraorally, so post surgery, there won't be any scar on your face. Also, you can appreciate in the video how the bone cuts are given intraorally, and then that is again after the pre-orthodontic treatment. First, we level align the orthodontically, and then we undergo the orthognathic surgery. Now, in case of excessive gingival gum display as well, we can carry out orthognathic surgery. It is only a 45 to 1 hour surgery, which has very less complications. So yes, those who have discrepancy of more than 8 to 10 mm also can look good after an orthognathic surgery. Coming to obstructive sleep apnea, which we had discussed earlier, orthodontist will tell you whether the constriction in the airway is because of the backward position of the tongue or because of the backward position of the mandible. By the pharyngeal airway analysis, we'll come to know whether your airway is constricted or no. So with the help of the appliances based on the diagnosis by your orthodontist, we have two appliances: tongue repositioning appliance, wherein the tongue is positioned ahead so that while sleeping, your airway is patent and there will be no breathing problems. And if the problem is because of the mandibular backward position, we have a mandibular repositioning appliance wherein the whole night you can place the mandible ahead and then go to sleep. The most interesting part of this appliance therapy is it has to be worn only during the night. Yes. So during the daytime, you're not supposed to wear it. So it is very comfortable and patient friendly, and you can sleep for good 8 hours. So the goals of any orthodontic treatment lies in these three things. That is, first, the functional efficiency, second, the structural balance, and last, aesthetic harmony. With this, I would likely to conclude my video saying, a smile is happiness you will find right under your nose. Thank you.